If I tell you a strategy which could help you to buy at A point and B point, after you buy, the price will just soar immediately. Would you like to spend 2 minutes to watch this video to the end? Hi, I'm Alice. In this video, I'm gonna show you a moving average strategy to help you to snapper a short-term skyrocket. This strategy is also one of the favorite strategies for professional traders. It's simple and practical. You really need to pay attention. Look at this chart. This amazing parameter of moving average we used here is 7. Why 7? Because 7 is a significant number of Lucas sequence, which shares the same reputation with Fibonacci sequence. It has an amazing effect on short-term operations. So let's see how this strategy works. Look at A point. Firstly, the close price fell below 7 moving average at the first day. And then, the second day, the price began to go up. And finally, its close price outbreak the 7 MA. And thirdly, the close price of the second day need to be higher than the open price of the first day. At the 3 point, it's a buy point. So we could see both A and B are valid buy point. And if we buy here, there's a considerable profit followed. What about this chart? Let's see. Firstly, close price downbreak MA, and then the price reaches above the MA and higher than the open price of the first day. Valid buy point, right? So the price just soared later. Is this strategy 100% success rate? Of course not. Look at this chart. This C point actually has met the 3 requirements of our MA strategy, right? However, if we buy here, then the next few days, the price dropped below 7 MAs again. So in this case, do we need to sell it? But if we sold it, the price rapidly goes up again. So in this case, to avoid selling at the bottom, I will suggest you to set a stop loss at the lowest price of the day you buy. So when the price call back, but stay above stop loss price, we will still hold it and get the coming profit. In fact, there are 3 crucial indicators for Forex trading: candlestick chart, moving average, and Bollinger Bands. Candlestick reflect the market sentiment, and I have made a short series for candlestick chart in my channel. And the win rate will be highly improved if we could combine the analysis of candlestick chart pattern and this MA strategy. So if you are interested, subscribe my channel so you can learn more strategies to make money and get high win rate. If you like this video, give me a like or leave me messages on the comment area. That will be my best support. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you next time. Bye.